You can also use the leaves. The leaves can be steamed like vegetable.
Really?
Yes. Eat natural. Use natural things on your skin. Use natural. To see my hair, you guys.
Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing to showcase the potent medicinal herbs here in Jamaica. And today I'm going to share one which is an analgesic, a diuretic, a laxative, and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It is the Jamaican Dandelion. And I'm with Miss Lawrence, who is gonna, the lady that actually did the video on the bamboo powder. Yes, that lady. I'm back with her. She's gonna talk to us about the dandelion and all its amazing health benefits. First, do a special shout out to some persons. One, June Blake. She actually is an ardent subscriber on my website. She's had a right, living, breathing testimony of how this plant helped her with some urinary issues. So I want to big up June. All my ardent fans, subscribers, persons who continue to watch, like, share, and comment on my videos, I say thank you. If you are here for the first time now, though, meaning you're brand new, I say welcome. Thank you for coming. I do a lot of videos capturing what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica. People like Miss Lawrence. I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you're updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Here she is again, guys, Miss Lawrence.
Hello, everyone.
From, what's the name of the...
My-Island Classic.
Alright, and what we're going to talk about today?
We're going to talk today about this wonderful plant and powerful plant, dandelion.
Jamaican Dandelion.
Right.
By the way, the scientific name is Cassia Occidentalis. It's it's on screen as well, guys. Sorry about the pronunciation. It's on screen as well.
Yes.
You can research it further, but we call it the Jamaican Dandelion.
Or
That's
the wild
it.
coffee.
Or the wild
Jamaican
coffee.
Wild coffee.
Jamaican wild coffee. This is what it looks like.
Yes.
Right.
This is the flower. This is the bud that is going to turn up bright yellow flowers, and this is going to develop into the dandelion pod. This is the pod that we get the seeds from, and then we use the seed to process, get it dry, process, and turn into powder.
All right. So this is a pod, like a pod,
yes,
like
this
a
is
peach
like
pod.
a pod, like what you would have a natto pod or cocoa pod. You know, some little fine black seed.
Okay. Show us, man. Show us.
Okay, I'm going to open one of this. All right. Okay. So this is what the seeds look like. This is what they are very small. This is what the seeds look like, right? Right. So we use these and we bring it through like a coffee process where you do say you parch it and then you use it to make the powder.
So you just like coffee. In fact,
yeah,
it's
just
called,
like coffee because it's called Jamaican wild coffee.
yeah. So you parch it the same way you parch a coffee.
Right.
Or roast it. Kind of
Yes,
thing.
you roast it.
And then you beat it.
Right.
To a powder.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you were saying.
And as I'm saying, you can also use the leaves. The leaves can be steamed like vegetable.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes, you can you can eat it as vegetable. Just steam it. But you not
just
put
like a callaloo line.
Yes, you not put it through deep steaming. You just call it your cooking. You're cooking like banana and dumpling. You just put it into a little strainer like, and just set it in the pot and make it steam. And you take it out and eat it.
What amount though? I mean, you can
any amount of the little green one, just like how you prepare your
callaloo.
little callaloo.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice. You season it up the same way and stuff like that. So
normally when I'm preparing mine, I don't season it. I just put it there.
Oh, so you eat it yourself as well?
Yes. Yes.
So you're a testimony to the...
Yes,
oh, okay,
yes.
okay.
Yes.
All right, and then...
And this is so powerful. This is a powerful plant because I have a friend of mine, her husband was a diabetic. And he said to me, he called me one day and was asking me if I have the dandelion plant. And I said, I'm going to search for it. And he said to me, you know, that plant is a very powerful plant because when I take it, I don't have to take my full amount of medication.
Oh, really?
Yes, because he was a diabetic.
Oh, cool.
Because this plant is also, diuretic, and diuretic, you know that it's going to help you to expel extra fluid from the body. So all those excess fluid that is built up into the system, it helps you to eliminate them through urine.
Wonderful.
Right.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Right.
But I don't know if people really know the value of some of the plants that we have here in Jamaica.
No.
I personally know about this one here from long time. I know it was said to be good, but I never really have that experience with it. Yeah. But you have been researching these things.
Yes, I do these things, and then over the years, because I have doctor diagnosed me with hypertension. And from I have been going to the market in early years, and I was saying to the bush lady, what type of thing you have for hypertension? And she said, try the dandelion. I tried, and then it make the excess salt that is in the system, because you have to urine so often when you drink this. It causes you to pass out most of the excess salt, and you know, it says the excess salt in the system that build up, that cause you the hypertension to go up.
Okay. Oh, interesting. Interesting.
Yes.
All right. So in a nutshell, okay, so how do you, so you talk about how to prepare it then, basically?
Yes, to prepare this, you can prepare it as a tea. As I say, it's a substitute for coffee. It's a substitute for coffee. It smells like coffee. So you can just prepare your nice cup of dandelion tea. But one thing I must remind you guys, don't do it more than 7 days. And then you give yourself
in a 1 week period.
1 week. No herbs must be taken more than 7 days at a time. That's the rule. Because if going over that, you can cause some damage to your system. So you give yourself like a 2-week break, and then you resume.
Okay. From a herbal friend of mine would say a week, usually a week, and then you get the following week you break a couple of days. Like
no,
2-3
I
days.
normally take like I normally suggest 2 weeks.
2-week break.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you resume.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So that's how you take. That's how you take it, guys.
Yes.
That's how you take it.
Yes.
All right. What?
So you would apply like a teaspoon of the powder, and to your cup of boiling water. And if you want, you can sweeten it if you want it to have a coffee look. Or best, I don't take mine with no sweetener at all, just straight.
Well, you ladies are. I was talking to another friend of mine, Marlene from Yitzhar Blends. And I find that most of the people I've been talking to about herbs, they just drink the herb. I find it hard to drink it without sweetening it.
No, you don't have to sweeten
I know.
it.
I realize it's best
you put
without.
it to steep.
Yeah.
And when it is warm enough, you just drink.
It's best to drink it before. Yeah. Best to drink it without any sweetener.
Well, I must confess, I get adjusted to the way of drinking it without sweetener. So it don't come in like anything to me.
Oh,
It don't come in like anything to me.
Proud of you. Proud of you. All right, I have some questions for you, Miss Lawrence. Yeah, man. A few more questions that people have asked. And guys, you know, I'm not gonna allow her to leave without asking her some questions. I think you answer this one, but I'm gonna ask it. I have about 5 questions. What is Jamaican dandelion good for? You mentioned it already. Hypertension.
Yes, hypertension, to expel excess fluid from the body, especially if you're a diabetic, if you're hypertensive. And dandelion is a detox herb. You can use it to detox your system.
It's a cleanser.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. There's a question that says, how do you make dandelion tea? You already spoke about that.
Yes. I just say you get your cup of hot water, you get a teaspoonful of dandelion, and you just put it in the hot water. You cover it for about, call it 5-6 minutes. You let it steep for a while. Then you if you want to sweeten it or you want to drink it as it is.
Oh, question though. Can you use? For me, I like that coffee. I like to use some sort of. Like whether it's soy, I use soy milk. Some people might use regular milk. You can use that with it, right?
Yes, you can use soya milk. You can use, if you're a person that take dairy, you can use your regular cow's milk.
So you can do it like a coffee.
Condensed milk if you can take condensed milk.
If you can't do it.
Or your coconut milk.
Okay.
Even better.
If that's what you can manage.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Are there any are there any side effects of taking dandelion? You are aware?
Yes, the side effect, if you're having a serious kidney problem, it's not recommended, because it can irritate the kidney to produce more urine, and that will harm you.
Oh, so okay.
So I best advise customer to if they're having serious medical condition, check with your medical doctor before start using any herb.
Okay, okay. There's another one. Who should avoid taking dandelion? Kind of the same
Who
question,
should avoid people who are allergic to chamomile, marigold. You should avoid. And if you are lactating and if you are pregnant, it is not advisable to use dandelion.
Okay, 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 okay. Is it okay to drink dandelion tea every day? That's another question.
As I say, if you're on a 7-day cleansing or doing it for your, to help with your health, you do it for 7 days and then you give yourself a break. You give yourself a break like for if you want to give yourself a break 7 days more and then you resume, or best yet if you can wait until 2 weeks, then you give yourself a kickstart again after 2 weeks.
Awesome, awesome. So I'm learning too from my adventures. Calling them, I'm learning a lot too. Guys, you have seen my video. By the way, if you have not seen someone, I've been going around. This lady is one of my subscribers. This lady here.
Yes.
Reached out to me because she saw my videos, Miss Lawrence, and reached out to me, and we decided that we're gonna hook up.
Yes.
So she is an ambassador as well, and of My Island Jamaica, and I want to big her up for being that as well.
Right.
Thank you so much. But I'm learning so much about our local herbs.
Yes.
They are cleansers. They are builders.
Yes.
This one here apparently is a cleanser.
Yes.
It's a cleanser.
Yes.
Natural cleanser.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you how people can contact you, but just before. I want you to show my viewers the product that you have of your vast array of products. She has a line of herbal products, guys. You would have remembered her from the bamboo powder video.
Right.
So this is her little display, and this is the oh, by the way, this is another dandelion plant right here. The leaves.
Yes, this is a dandelion plant.
So that's a powder
with some powerful pod. This is a dandelion powder. As I say, you can just use 1 teaspoonful. To a cup of water, let it steep for 6 minutes, and then you can use your special sweetener, or if not, best I would advise, take it without sweetener, it's better.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. So that, and you have some additional products.
Yes, I have some additional products.
Quickly
These are turmeric powder. This is a good old Jamaican black castor oil. This is the bamboo soap.
Bamboo soap. Oh,
that you know about.
By the way, guys, link in the description. As well for the bamboo video. You need to see that the bamboo powder video if you miss it.
Yes.
It's in the description. This is her bamboo powder soap.
Yes. This is excellent for the skin.
Yeah, man. Everybody. Yes, yes. It's one of her best sellers.
I've been getting a lot of reviews from Miami as far as Arizona.
Awesome.
Right. And this is a turmeric shea. The bamboo soap, I must tell you, I blend it in with the Jamaican organic honey.
Okay. Cool. Yes. Cool. All right.
And this is a skin healing butter that good for scrape, insect bite, and diaper rash, you name it. It's a good product to be in every home. Right, and this is our dark chocolate with ginger.
We talk about that in that video as well.
Right.
All right.
And the bamboo powder as you saw before in that video.
Yes.
And the good old sorrel powder.
Yes.
Yes. And the annatto.
Annatto,
Who could forget her with her flitters, with the flitters.
Yes.
And this is our busy.
Yes, busy. Man, guys, look forward to the busy video, right?
Yes.
I haven't done it yet, but look forward to the busy. We're going to talk more about the busy. That's another powerful product as well.
Right, and this is our ginger.
Jamaican ginger.
Right, and this is our good old spice, the jerky, the Jamaica pimento. This is vervain and the good old guinea hen.
Give her another thumbs up if you haven't yet. Big her up for what she's doing. Another ambassador of our authentic Jamaican products. And notice it's all Jamaican, natural stuff, the same old time stuff of parents and for parents used to use, guys, that she's using. I'm just so blessed to be able to find some of these people, man, to showcase what they're doing for themselves and for Jamaica.
Okay.
Because
I promote natural health.
Yes.
Eat natural. Eat natural. Use natural things on your skin. Use natural. To see my hair, you guys.
To show off.
That's my hair. Yes, and this is all of my product I incorporate in everything I'm going to make. If I'm making the something for your skin, I incorporate something that I'm selling otherwise into that product.
Wonderful.
Right.
Proud of you. Proud
Yes.
of you. Awesome, wide, extensive array of awesome Jamaican products. Miss Lawrence. I can't keep forgetting the Miss Lawrence again. Give her a thumbs up right now. Thumbs up. Show them a thumbs up, Miss Lawrence. All right. If persons are interested in reaching out to you, could you share your contact information?
Yes, my contact information, you can see us on Instagram. You can also find us on YouTube, as I told you before. And we are on Shopify.
Oh, awesome.
Yes, we are on Shopify, so you can just go.
Same brand?
Yes, and anywhere you are in the world, we will get it.
All right. And share the phone number.
You can reach us on 394-3764 or
876-508-7949.
Both numbers are on screen as well, guys. Reach out to them, man. Miss Lawrence and the Jamaican Dandelion. Whew, so much learning. Tell me, you didn't know about that plant? If you do, what did you know about it? And if you use it, how did you use it? I would love to hear from you. Share it right now in the comments. There's another video you must see, and it's my friend Mr. Atkinson making traditional Jamaican chocolate tea. A must see in the description, in the card above. See you in that one.